Hello Jim, Tech Buzz, another new product in today, and we've got these new earbuds in by Haylou, the W1 True Wireless earbuds. And they've got Knowles and you've Qualcomm aptX adaptive as well. Hey, listen to me, and that's the name there. So they've got surround sound quality, and they've got Knowles balanced amateur drivers and dynamic driver restoring live CD sound quality. Bluetooth 5.2, 20-hour battery life, Qualcomm QCC 3040, 4 mic clear calls, and a smart touch control. So these are a new company, so be interested to see. They look quite nice, so be interested to see how they sound as well. And we'll get straight into it here. We'll just pull off these seals and have a look at the packaging. So inside the box has just got the Haylou writing on the front there. Now find out. Okay, so we open up like so, and you can see you've got some indicators to what you get inside, and you have the case here. And let's have a look and see what else is underneath all this. And it's all nicely packed up. So we'll take out all these bits and pieces and then pop out the case and the earbuds themselves. Right, so we get our extra tips. We get our cable, which is Type C, which is just a standard white cable. There's no branding at all on it there. You get your user guide here. You get our case. So let's have a look at that. So you can see the Haylou sign on the front. You can see the LEDs up on the front there, and our magnets there. USB-C port on the back. And here is the earbuds themselves. They look quite nice. I like the colour. And that's pretty much what they look like there. And they look like they've got auto play and pause. Maybe not just the branding. You've got left and right there. So we'll have to check them out and see how they go. And you can see they've got the writing on the side as well there, which look really nice as well. And that's it. So let's pop them into the case and have a look. And the magnets feel nice and strong. They ain't falling out. And that's what it's going to look like closed up. You can see our LEDs there and all that kind of stuff. So we're going to test them out. We'll be back after the break and let you know how we get on. And we'll talk to you then. Hello, Jim, Tech Buzz back with a new video. And we're back with the Haylou W1s. These have been a quite surprising pair of earbuds, I must say. A new brand for us and a new company for you to see on the channel. And they have a couple of other products on site which you can check out in the link in the description below. But I always be wary of new earbuds, but not these. These are excellent pair of earbuds, really good, and they look well as two. They've kind of took away from the circular stem design, and they have this their own kind of shape here with angles and all. They kind of look like some of the edifiers kind of, you know, design. If you just quickly, a thinner kind of version of that, and they look really well. And I love this colour too. This is a really nice colour, I have to say as well. And that's it on them. Now they are lacking a couple of features, but really not that much. There is no app with these either. There is no auto play and pause, and they do work individually, so that's pretty good. And you've got Knowles built in as well. So what have they got? So you can play your tracks, skip your tracks, reverse tracks, answer your calls and all that kind of stuff, and you can do your voice assistant on these. They fit really well too. They've got that nice design there, as you can see, and they're comfortable in the ears and they will not fall out. So that's importantly a lot of things people like to know about. So keep all that in mind. And sound is brilliant on these, really good out of the box, and nice level of bass. They're loud, punchy, they're bass heavy as well, as people like bass, but these are a little bit on the bass heavy side, which is really nice. They're kind of another kind of set of earbuds that are fine out of the box without needing an EQ. So they've done a good job there, and you've got your Qualcomm aptX as well built in. So overall the sound is great from my usual testing on YouTube, Netflix videos and music and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's what I do all day, is just test earbuds and headphones and phones. But I do test so many earbuds and have a kind of set thing I can do, but that's freely available up on my YouTube channel there, to what music I do listen to. I do everything from rock, pop, everything, and everything gets a looking in there, and of course just your standard music and all that kind of stuff. But overall, with the listening experience, really good, have to say. Very good set of earbuds, and for the first time to try them out and see this new company, they've done a really good job with them, and they look nice too. I like this colour. So we're going to go and quickly go through the controls for you and show you what needs to be doing. And I'm going to go down onto my list and pop them into the ears. The fit is really nice as well. So a triple tap will bring up your assistant on the left or the right. Play and pause is a single tap on the left button or right button. Double tap on the left will skip. Just get it playing. As you can see there, it's going back. And on the opposite side, obviously, you can go down. And that's pretty much it there. Excuse me. Now, the only thing is there's no volume control. So you're going to have to do that yourself, and that's pretty much it. Not a big deal. That's left out. Some people prefer to use their phone to do that anyway. But overall, can't really complain. Excellent set of earbuds. Look really well. Sound really good, which is important. Again, you've got your LEDs up on the front there, and that's what they're going to look like. They look really cool. Nice case as well. Fits in the hand, fits in the pocket, and deliver good sound. So they've got pretty much everything there that you need anyway to get going. And for our first attempt to look at this company, they've done a really good job, and I'm really impressed with the sound as well, I have to say, with these earbuds. And overall, I can't really complain in that department. No equalizer required, and that's a good sign of a good set of earbuds when you don't need an equalizer out of the box. So they are really good. So do check them out. We'll leave a link below to where you can pick them up. The company sent these over, didn't pay us any money, seen the video at the same time as you, and that's how we work here at TechBuzz Ireland. And we'll see you in the next video. We have lots here in the review queue, as they say, and lots coming for the Christmas period. So stay tuned for more hands-on tech reviews in Ireland. We don't give you these stock image reviews. You get to see the products in our hands for context, and that's what people like to see, and that's what you're going to get and see on our channel here at TechBuzz Ireland. Thanks for watching.